Okay, so I just installed the bare passenger side mirror mechanism, and I'm about to connect it up to the electrical connectors inside and test it. Actually, I will need the door open to be able to make the electrical connections. This is the panel that covers it again, so I'm gonna just open the door again to be able to access the electrical connections. And I'm gonna go over again to the other side. That's the code, or that's the error message on the dash: turn signal right mirror. Gonna open it again. And that's one of the connectors. The other one should be a white connector. There we go, that's the other connector. For some reason this wires are stuck for the white one. Yeah, got it all out. Yeah, that's long enough now. The white one, the wire was stuck back there in that nook, and that's the black one, and I think each goes into its own spot. I have to they go somewhere in the back. I think one of them goes here and the other one goes in there, here and here. And let's see what they look like. They're both 10 wire connectors, but I think the molding is a little different for each. Nope, actually, yep, the molding is a little different for each. So it looks like each one will only go into its own connector, which is good. I don't have to guess. Looks like this white one has an extra notch over here. So, okay. I'm trying to remember which one goes where. I think the black one goes in the front. It does seem to click in. And the white one goes in the back, probably. is my guess. Yep, it does click in like that. And the turn signal light is still going to give me an error, but I can at least try out the power window mechanism to make sure that works. I'll put in the panel back later. Okay.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Okay, so select the right side. This was the left, this is the right. I can hear the motor make a sound in each of these, and that's what it looks like. That's the up, moving up, moving left. Oh, that's rather moving right, and that's moving left. So it looks like it's all working. That's great news.